open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I created this Christmas tree in my computer using a keyboard shortcut. So I create this Christmas tree by typing like this 1F384. So you must simply go to your computer keyboard and you must type like this 1F384. So after typing 1F384, you can see on these two keys, this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So you must one of your fingers should be in this Alt key and another is in this key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this Christmas tree have been arrived, created in this Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. And suppose if you want to change the color also, you must select this Christmas tree, and after that you must click here, and from here choose the color you want for your tree. Of this video, if you already subscribed, thank you.